What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, free Zosh merch might be on the way. Yeah, I ain't gonna get too much into it because I hope I can get this junk cleared up. But welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I left my door open. That's what's going on for today's video. Me and Randy is going to be installing this AC tuck kit from DC5 Creations. Shout out to that boy Davey, DV, Divey, Doby, Dobby, Dobby, Shabby, Dobby, Wobby, Foobie. Do I got my wallet? Yes, I do. All right, so let's make our way to Randy Bill's house. Randy Bill. Randy Bill. Randy Bill. I can't do it no more. Randy Bill. All right, we're on our way to Randy's house. X's and O's like interchange. 3 things in a row. That's just a game. Big rings in a row. I got my fingers. I can't even hold my baggage claim. So we're at Randy's house, and now we're gonna get started on the kit. So first things first, if you haven't already, when you're doing any AC line replacement, thing like that, it's always smart to have your AC stuff drained. Yesterday I went ahead and went to the homie shop where he drained the AC for me, so now we don't have to worry about no emissions and blowing up in your face, none of that foolishness. So yeah, you want to do that first and foremost before you even start on like removing lines and things, because that Freon to get you is wrapped. So what we got to do is remove my bumper, fender has to come off, headlight has to come off, and then we'll show you the process of, you know, what we're doing essentially to clean up the engine bay and tuck the AC. So on the factory RSX, this is my AC line, and then we're on right here all the way through the firewall and blah, 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 blah. So this has been a problem because it's just been dangling and dangling, and it just looks ugly. And you want to clean it up, why not, you know, get the DC5 Creations kit. They have like 4 variations of the AC tuck kit, depending on how you want to run your kit. But mine, I got V1 because, well, I don't need nothing crazy and schmancy fancy. First things first, start removing the bumper. And we're gonna start removing the sides here because we gotta get the 10mm bolt that holds the bottom portion of the fender. And yeah, side skirts really do make or break side profile of a car. But side skirts are off, exposed to 1 10mm bolt there, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yep, I have one right there, and then one there, and then the headlight gotta come off, and then start the process. So simple stuff. Fender off, headlight off, and bumper off. Now it's time to start the process of just removing our factory AC line that goes from all the way down there to the from the what is that called? Dryer. Dryer. There we go. All the way over here. So Randy's loosening the line that goes to the dryer. 1 10mm bolt. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh shit, we going to jail, man. Mr. Randy Bilt is removing the heater core lines.
The what?
Not heater core lines, the heater core hose, right?
The what?
The heater hose.
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Oh. Hey Randy, what you doing, bro?
I'm removing the AC line from the on the firewall.
Yup, that's what he doing.
Which goes to the evap.
Which goes to the evap. Yup. after removing the strut tower and various other items, we have the AC line out. The line that was holding the AC line pretty much in was this little clip, but we broke it. Don't break yours if you don't have to, but we did. And now Randy's just trying to find some leverage to the best of his abilities. Take the line out. Okay, so remove bracket for the brake booster, like this bracket right here, so we get more space, more line and everything. Just kind of visually see everything, what we're doing, so you guys can get a clear representation of how to do it. I mean, maybe there's an easier way, but this seemed like the easier way to us. You know what I mean? There's really no right and wrong way to do things when it pertains to your car. But do what you gotta do, player. Yeah, Zosh's car, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, we'll do an exhaust mod, we'll do an interior mod, and now we're doing some engine based stuff. 10K cash, come get it. $10,000 cash, cold currency. I gotta put that on my books so I can eat for 2 months. AC line is pretty much out. Just got this one, and the 10 mil that goes here is actually down there on the compressor. So once Randy removed the line from the compressor, should be solid. Life ain't a game, no, if you feel me, say yeah, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, bro, it's kind of a lot of stuff to remove when you do this, so be prepared. Maybe it's easier for you, but I don't know. But it looks like a lot of stuff over here, shouted. Look at this, T-bars off, all types of shit. Yeah, anybody need some AC line? I got. Holla at your boy. Oh shit. It's coolant. It ain't gonna stain the driveway.
That's that blue one, it leaves white shit.
Lava. Here is the DC5 Creations AC Tuck Kit version 1. Well, you have the AC line that's already loomed up and solid.
I believe that's an option of with loom or without looms, right?
I have no idea.
I'll bill you home.
There's also going to be a link down in the description box below with the website where if you can browse the site, see what you want for your car. Yeah, he specializes in a lot of things. We'll probably do a ABS delete
or relocation key.
Yeah, he pretty much has that. RSX stuff, he got you. This is everything we'll need today to install everything. Clamps, whatever this is called, I don't know. But we pretty much have everything needed in order to do this kit. All right, so step 1 to install your AC kit, put in your new firewall AC plug. Yeah, pretty simple. Basically, you're just gonna reverse the steps you did when it comes to that portion, and then from there we'll get into the actual nitty-gritty and playboy. Randy went ahead and installed the part that goes onto the dryer. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. And then he also installed the one that, oh, no, he did not. So I installed the one that goes on the AC compressor. Now we got the bracket in, our new firewall unit. I don't know the name of it, so excuse me, dog. But now I have to drill 2 holes. I gotta go to the parts store, pick up a Christmas drill bit, a big one. The ones that I have are a little too small. Make these holes big. Well, make these. Oh, I'll probably do another hole like right there. Make these holes bigger, and run the lines through here, all around there, through there. Tuck it up, and bloop. That's it. So straightforward process, not too difficult. Just gotta go get the right tool so we can do it. Went to the local Harbor Freight, picked up this big daddy right here, please, boy. Now it's time to get to drilling these holes. Holes have been cut and worked. Yeah, man. So yeah, drill bit right there. The angle kind of sucks, so just be cautious of that. I had to drill my own hole there, so I had a straight shot. That's why I did it. And yeah, I used the last bit of that to
honestly, it's a simple kit.
It really is not that bad.
Uh-huh.
And look, this hole is actually too big, kind of. Not really, but
not really. This was great.
Yeah, because this hole is smaller. This would be your low, and this would be your high. So just remember that the blue cap when you get it is gonna be your high pressure line. Cause that's the big daddy right there, playboy. And then from there, we gotta just zip tie, mount up using the hardware that came in our kit, which is, I'll show you right now. So basically, we're going to be using these and these to route up everything. And yeah, should be solid. Quick update, we got the lines attached to the bracket, the billet bracket that goes to the firewall. I don't know the name of it, so sorry. But yeah, Randy's now doing the fishing through the holes of the chassis. So we can do everything, but yeah, it's a pretty straightforward process, man. Like once you get the old stuff off and you drill the hole for the new stuff, everything is pretty much simple. Simplified. Everything is pretty much secured. Yeah, man. Now Randy is doing the high pressure hose that goes to the compressor itself. She is now ready to go get charged. And that's where we're going. And that is what she wrote, folks. Oh man, I have AC, cold AC. Well, I always had AC, but now it's tucked. You can't see my, well, you can see one other one. Whatever. We have AC in the whip. Huge shout out to the homie Davey over at DC5 Creations. Bro, he has some amazing products. Be sure to check them out with the link down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Shout out to the homie Randy for just being Randy and having curry, chicken, and rice to eat for lunch that day. So, yep, that's it, bro. That's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like on the video. If you're not enjoyed the video, please leave a dislike on the video, because I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys, and please, bro, if you love me, just please support me and buy a shirt. Please, bro. It's a collector's edition item. Please buy it. Please. I just want support, bro. I just want support. Please, man. I don't ask for much, but if you can, please support me, bro. Like, it means a lot to me. Like, let me live the life of these other YouTube creators, bro. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.